Here is another complicated quadratic. We can't divide through by any common factor for each of those numbers to simplify it, so we've just got to work with what we've got. In our standard brackets, the part that goes here and here multiply together to make 8x squared. We could have 8x times x or 4x times 2x. The part that goes here and here multiply together to make minus 24. And there's quite a lot of options here. We could have 1 times minus 24, minus 1 times 24, 2 times minus 12, minus 2 times 12, 3 times minus 8, minus 3 times 8, 4 times minus 6, and minus 4 times 6. Now once again, we've got to consider which pair of these goes with which pair of those and in what order, and there is no quicker way other than just to simply try them. The answer for this one turns out to be, after a lot of playing around with the numbers, 8x plus 3 and x minus 8. As a demonstration of why this would be the answer, multiplying it out, 8x times x, 8x squared, 8x times minus 8 is minus 64x, 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times minus 8 is minus 24, with our minus 64x and plus 3 combining to give minus 61x. Now again, there is no quick way of doing it, you've just got to try the different combinations. The only clue I can see is that there's a 61, which is very similar to a 64 coming from the two 8s being multiplied together. But again, that's not necessarily going to help you when you're working through these. To solve the question, again, we let each of these brackets equal 0. So 8x plus 3 equals 0 gives x equals minus 3 over 8, and x minus 8 equals 0 gives x equals 8. And there's our two solutions. This is a very complicated question though.